Hello, this is Julie. Welcome into the Thrifty Paper Garden. I'm doing this video in response to Kristina, who is CraftyPaws, her Love the Earth challenge. We were supposed to take something that was bound for the landfill, something that we could recycle. And I found this drawer from an old dilapidated nightstand, and I just thought it was really cute, and it reminded me of something that happened in my backyard. And I had a little piece of decorative lawn art that a bird took over and made its nest and decided to live in for a while. So this project is actually inspired by nature. And I know some birds like to collect things for their nests, some unusual things, sometimes some shiny things. And I'm not really sure what kind of bird this is, but he inhabited my little drawer. And so my camera doesn't focus real well close up, but I'll take you in and hopefully it won't be too shaky. So behind the bird I have a doily and some burlap and a little metal clothes hanger and some branches and leaves. There's a little spool that has twine wrapped around it, a little bit of a scroll of music paper and a little birch bark, and those flowers are actually from my garden that I dried. And here are the bird's eggs, and that is sitting in a little bell that I used to have a decoration with bells attached to it outside. And a cute little ladybug. I found these wooden ladybugs at Michael's. They were like 30 in a bag for $1.99. So real cute to add to projects. So Kristina, that is my project. I thank you for the challenge. I'm tickled to have found this and been able to make it into something that reminds me of what I actually saw in my backyard. So go check out Kristina, CraftyPaws. She is a wonderful crafter, enters many challenges. She just does a wonderful job crafting, and she's a real sweet person. So thanks a lot for stopping by. We'll talk to you later. Bye.